Hello children, myself Mrs. Dimple Kundar from Seth Vidya Mandir, English High School, CBSE will continue Maths for Standard 5, Lesson 6, Decimals. So, based on the explanation given for greater and lesser fractions, we can also do ascending and descending order. So, students, you all know what is ascending order? Yes, going from the smallest number to the biggest number, and descending order is going from the biggest number to the smallest number. So now when we have learned to how to compare the decimal fractions by putting the signs as done in the earlier exercise, let's do the next exercise. Write in ascending order using less than sign. So ascending order, we go from the smaller number, we will put this sign till we reach the bigger number. So okay, we are ready? Okay. As told, for finding the greater fraction, we have to see the integral part, that is the place before the decimal point. 4.926, 18.324, 18.428, 18.528 and 18.234. So here 18 is there in all the numbers, only this number has 4 point. So this is the smallest number which will come first. Then we will put the lesser than sign, and then we will compare the remaining 4. Now 18, the integral part is same, so we see the 10th part. 10th place, 3, 4, 5 and 2. So which is the smallest one? Yes, this number. So I will write 18.234. Then after 2 what will come? 3. So 18.324. After 3, 4 in the 10th place. So 18.428, and the last, we have to put this sign, 18.528. So now the integral part with 4 is the smallest number. Then 18 with the 2 in the 10th place, 3 in the 10th place, 4 in the 10th place and 5 in the 10th place. Easy. We move on to the next one. 72.09, 72.19, 72.91, 72.17 and 72.81. So now all these digits are having the integral part same. So we see the 10th place, 0, 1, 9, 1, 8. So 0 is the smallest, so that number will come first and the lesser than sign. Then 1 in the 10th place is for 2 places. So when it is there for 2 places, we will compare the hundreds place, 9 and 7. So which will be smaller? 7. So I will write 72.17 and next will be 72.19. And after that 8 and 9. So you know that 72.81 and 72.91. Easy? Okay. Similarly, let's continue. 301.13, 301.03, 301.31 and 301.30. So before the decimal place, the integral parts are same. So we see the 10th place, 1, 0, 3, 3. So 0 will come first. So I will write 301.03. Next I will write 301.13. And now here 3 is there in the 10th place. So I will see the 100th place, 0 and 1. So which is smaller? 0. So I will write 301.30 and my last digit will be 301.31. Okay, and one more example, then I will give homework. 107.08, 107.81, 107.80 and 107.88. So again the integral part is same. So I see the 10th place, 0, 8, 8, 8. So the 0 part will come first. Then all the parts are with 8. So we see the 100 place, 1, 0, 8. So the path with 0 will come second. Then 107.81 and next last number 1 will be 107.88. Isn't it easy? Okay, so let's continue with another two sums, 43.81, 43.18, 43.08 and 43.80. Again the integral part is same, so we see the 10th place, 8, 108. So now you tell me which number will come first. Yes, 43.08. Then after 0 what will come? Yes, 1. So 43.18. And after 1 what will come? 8. But both the places are having 8. So we see the hundreds place, 1 and 0. So 0 will come first, and then 43.81. Understood? Okay. One more example, 89.09, 89.90, 89.01 and 89.013. Now this fraction has one unlike term, that is this has 3. So I will add 1 zeros here to make my problems easier. Okay, it's better to do it that way. Now integral part is same, and it is 0 and 0 0. Now we see the tens place, 9 1 1. I told you to write because see now both these having 1. If I cannot get the number, here it is 0 and here it is 3. To make them look unlike fractions, I have to convert. So first number will be 0.0, then 89.013. Now here again 0 and 9. So 89.090 and last 89.900. So here we got the integral part, 0 0 0 in the 10th place, hundreds place 1 1, but here it is 0 and 3, and here 100 place is 9, and here 10th place is 9. So I hope you are getting it. Let's see children whether you have understood or not. So you will do two sums, that is G and H for homework. The same method, same way. Find the greater number, smaller number, and write ascending order from the smallest to the greatest. So two sums for homework.